BearishStrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Wednesday, October 23rd. We have quite a lot of data coming out today, starting at 9:30 GMT with the Bank of England minutes, which would have an important impact on the pound. Later at 1:30 GMT, we have the import price and index from the United States, and this is also followed quickly at 2 o'clock by the housing price index. This could give some forward guidance as to what the FOMC meeting will be doing tomorrow, and could have an impact on inflation. And later at 3 o'clock, we have consumer confidence from the European Union, which would give indications about how the Eurozone is performing. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 yesterday also pushed higher in response to the non-farm payrolls report, and this is again continuing a record high. However, over the Asian session, Asian stocks closed on the downside, most likely in response to investors taking profits, so this would be a consolidation move. Futures for the S&P 500 started down 0.2%, and also futures for the European session are on the downside, so we're probably looking for a general risk profit-taking session for the day. Overall investor confidence for the day and for the upcoming days is on the upside, so there might be a short-term correction, and then the markets will push higher. The euro yesterday also had a strong bounce. This was mostly in response to dollar weakness from the non-farm payrolls, and which would have an impact on the decision of the Fed to whether to reduce its taper. This is the highest it's been since 2011, but it pushed above 137 before in February, and this prompted a response from the European Central Bank President Mario Draghi, who warned that a high euro was not in the interests of the ECB. So we could see some form of response from the European Central Bank in the next couple of days, but overall the investor sentiment is that this pair will close the year above 138. So we're looking at, over the longer term, move on the upside for the euro. The yen also responded to overall dollar weakness. Right now it's targeting down here at 97.10, which is its important support level for the upcoming session. The pound also had a strong response to the non-farm payrolls, and this was just general dollar weakness. It came up to the 162.50 level, which it tried to break through earlier in the month and failed to do so, and once again it also failed to do so. We're looking at a period of correction here, and how this pair will perform will depend on minutes from the Bank of England at 1:30. To the downside, we're looking at support and resistance here at 1611. Gold is consolidating this upward trend. This is mostly in response to dollar weakness, since actual demand for the commodity hasn't increased. Yesterday it reached this resistance level at 1343. We could see a short-term correction as investors take profits on positions today, but we're looking at an overall upward trend for this commodity. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.